Tired of being surprised by transaction fees as a small business owner? Do you use Venmo and wonder exactly what you're losing with every sale? Venmo is an incredible tool for businesses, offering ease and visibility, but those transactions aren't free. Understanding the fees is key to maximizing your profit. Let's break down the Venmo fees for business transactions. First, the primary charge is the seller transaction fee. When a customer pays your business profile for goods or services, Venmo deducts a small percentage and a fixed amount. Currently, the standard fee for a payment received by a business profile from another Venmo user is 1.9% plus 10 cents, that's 10 cents, per transaction. So, if you sell a $100 item, Venmo takes $1.90 plus 10 cents, meaning you receive $98. That fee is non-refundable, even if you issue a refund to your customer. Now, that standard fee is for digital payments, but if you use Venmo's tap-to-pay feature for in-person contactless payments, the fee is slightly different, 2.29% plus 10 cents per transaction. A minor increase, but important to know if you do a lot of in-person sales. There's one more major fee to be aware of, and this one applies when you want to get your money out of Venmo and into your bank account fast. This is the instant transfer fee. Standard transfers to your bank account, which take 1 to 3 business days, are absolutely free. But if you need those funds right away, Venmo charges a fee of 1.75% of the amount transferred. There's a minimum charge of 25 cents and a maximum charge that's usually capped at around $25. If you can wait a few days, standard transfer is your zero-cost option. In summary, for digital sales, expect to pay 1.9% plus 10 cents of the payment. For instant access to your funds, budget for an additional 1.75% fee. Knowing these numbers helps you price your products right and manage your cash flow effectively. Understanding the costs is the first step to making Venmo work for your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.